Monday.com versus Airtable. In the battle of project management platforms, Monday.com and Airtable stand out as our leading contenders. But which one reigns the supreme? So let's find out. Monday.com offers you with a robust set of features designed to make project management a breeze. So with its really flexible pricing plans that start off by $12 per seat per month and going up to $28 per month, that is the Pro one, which is made up for enterprises. On the other hand, it is safe and free. You have a free trial to use on Monday.com. Now, going back to its interface, its user-friendly design and drag and drop user interface functionality makes it easy for teams to collaborate and manage all the projects effectively. Now, as a visual project tasking, this is where Monday.com excels. You can visualize your project tracking with customizable boards, and you can totally make different boards, docs, dashboards, forms, even folders. Now, another option is for you to automate. Here, in case of automations, you can add so many board power-ups. You can make up automations, allowing teams to automate repetitive tasks and make the workflow go on easy. Now, on the other hand, we have Airtable. Airtable's plans start with the free tier, making it accessible to individuals and small teams, and making it really like the go-to for the project management tools. It has really customizable database actually, and it has spreadsheet drag and drop interface that provide unparalleled flexibility for organizing and managing your data. It also has advanced reporting in this section. As of the project tracking, right here, there are automations, there are so many interfaces and integrations that I can add in. It can integrate with a variety and large amount of third-party apps and services, making it easy for you to connect and, basically withdraw and import all of your data from other different third-party apps you're using. So which platform is better? If you value visual project tasking and, innovative interface and powerful automation, I would suggest you to go with Monday.com. But on the other hand, if you are looking for flexibility, advanced reporting, and integration that is super easy, Airtable might be your option as well. Both of them are really great, but it really narrows down to which one you prefer and, which one is easier for you to use as a user. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.